you where I am. Friends, we are not just wishing for our dreams or sitting at home. We are working for it every day, every time. So, as you can see, we are crossing the border by a ferry ride. That's actually best transport to cross the border. If you go by the road trip, it's quite long. It will take like 2 hours, and by just this ferry, you'll reach on the another side in 20 minutes. So here is our ferry. It's moving. Hi, how are you? Fine up. If you're starting your business in Gambia, you will definitely try this one. Just because Gambia is a really nice country, have its own port. Gambia's three of three are surrounded by Senegal, and one only the port is open, so it's a country. So as I show you all the things, we are in ferry and crossing the border, going another side, and we'll move back to Dakar, Senegal. So one country to another country, just in 2 hours by road.